Hi, it's Mr. Anderson. Hope you're doing well. We're going to be doing some more word work on our story, Where is My Baby? And so when we're doing this, it's to help us remember the book and the words in it and to practice some good reading and writing skills. Okay? So let's keep practicing. Number one, what word starts like mom? And how does mom start, the sound? M in mom's goes ma, ma, ma. Try to say ma with me. Ma. Good work. Okay, let's see. Big? No. Am? No. To? No. Here? No. Me? Me. Ma, ma, me.
Me.
Awesome work. Number two. What word rhymes with ham? Big? No. Am? Am is in the word ham. Let's try it. Ham and am. Am and ham. Am works. Am.
Am.
Awesome. Number three. What word starts like turtle? And turtle starts with a T, and the T makes the sound t, t, t. Let's try this. We did am. Let's see. Two. Oh, two. T, t. That works.
Two.
Number four. What word starts like hand? Hand. And remember, hand goes for the H. Here. Here. H. It has the same as hand. Here. Here. Hand.
Here.
Let's try two more, okay? Number five. What word rhymes with pig? Pig. Okay, let's try four. Four and pig? No, those don't sound alike. Let's try big. Pig and big? Yeah, that might work because they sound alike. And they both have the IG at the end. Pig and big.
Big.
All right, last one, number six. What word starts like fan? Fan starts with an F. What sound does the F make? That's right. And we have one left here. Four. Let's see if it works. Four starts with an F, and four makes the f sound.
Four.
Awesome. So we got to practice words that rhyme together and the starting sounds of words. Awesome job. Keep it up, and I'll see you later.